Hello amazing people, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I have one ingredient here, and this is an unripe pawpaw that I have washed very well. Unripe pawpaw has a lot of antioxidants and benefits. This is the regular papaya or the pawpaw, but this is the unripe one. It has not gotten to the stage of getting ripe at all, and this unripe pawpaw can help you so much, guys. The unripe pawpaw is loaded with enzymes like papain and chymopapain, which play an important role in stomach health and digestion. They also convert proteins into essential amino acids. They help with cleansing of the colon, and it prevents constipation with the enzyme of the papain, guys. It does so much. Let me tell you other health benefits of the unripe pawpaw or the unripe papaya. It improves your digestive health. So if you're someone that you've been struggling with digestion, it helps you a great deal. It reduces the risk of heart diseases. It offers relief from menstrual pain. So guys, some other health benefits of the unripe papaya is it helps to improve your digestive health. Papain, a protein digesting enzyme, is present in unripe green papaya, and this is beneficial for people with digestive or pancreatic problems, or people that even eat a lot of meat. The papain in the papaya has the property of tenderizing meat, and it helps to also do that in your stomach walls. The green unripe papaya also acts as a natural laxative, and it helps to relieve constipation. It's a natural and effective medicine to treat digestive and abdominal diseases such as dyspepsia, hyperacidity, and even dysentery. It helps to treat infections. It has a lot of significant antibacterial activity against common infections caused by staphylococcus, bacillus, and many other urinary tract infections. The antimicrobial action of the green unripe papaya as well removes parasitic worms in the body. It reduces signs of skin aging. It helps to reduce acne. It improves lactation in new mothers. The unripe green papaya contains and influences estrogen, which is the female hormone, and it is recommended for new mothers to increase lactation. It offers relief from menstrual pain because of the uterine stimulants provided in the unripe papaya. It helps to induce menstruation in women as well. It's also very useful in case of delayed periods or late periods. It reduces the risk of heart disease. It promotes wound healing. Unripe papaya is reported to be one of the earliest substances used in wound care because of the phytochemical constituent it possesses. It has a lot of anti-inflammatory and other immune modulatory properties. The extract of the green papaya helps to reduce skin inflammation, and it also promotes wound healing. So guys, these are some of the many benefits you have from the unripe papaya. So you ask me, how do you take it? Let's say for instance you're a lactating mother and you want to consume it. You will just cut into it like so. I like the fact that even the skin has been washed. Please, I would advise you to wash the skin as well. Every element of it is very important. Please note that a pregnant woman is not supposed to consume this because it will affect the unborn baby, the fetus. So I'm just cutting into it, the seeds, everything. I've washed it thoroughly like I said. So I'm just going to cut up a bit, and I'm going to pour some hot water. You can eat it the way it is, or you can make it into a tea as well. The only part I'm going to discard is this top part. I don't need this part, but every other element is perfectly fine. Personally, I won't boil this over the stove top so that it does not like destroy all the nutrients. You can either consume it like this, you can consume it like this, eating it like this is okay, or you can make it into a tea just the way I said. The next thing I will do is to get some hot water, and I'll pour some hot water all over it. So this hot water, you can drink the water afterwards, after it has stayed for like 5 to 10 minutes. This helps a lot. Like I explained, you can make more research on this to find out how unripe papaya can help you. It's good for digestion, especially if you have digestion problems. I would advise you to eat it. Then as well, you can take some of the unripe papaya like this and put it in, like, you can put it in your kettle, put it in a pot, whatever vessel you want to use is absolutely fine. Then you take the water, you drink the water. If you have a lot of digestive problems, constipation especially, then you need the water as well. The unripe papaya has and contains a lot of fiber that will help you to break down all those food in your body. So if you're also someone that takes a lot of meat, you know that if you consume a lot of meat and it's not properly processed, it will go on to be stored in your body as cholesterol, and you don't even want that. The unripe papaya helps you to break everything down very well. It breaks everything down. So that is why it's very medicinal, it is very herbal, it's good for you. So you need to drink the water, you need to eat it as it is. Both you need to combine in order to flush out all those dirty things from your stomach, all those toxins. Just get rid of everything. The papaya will help you, guys. It works 100%. It works 100%. Try it and let me know how it helps you. I am sure you come back to tell me that it has worked for you. Also, don't forget that it also helps with women who have had delayed menstrual periods. If you know that your menstrual period has been delayed, you have pain, it works for everything. It helps for lactation as well. But like I said, let me repeat myself again in case you didn't hear me well the other time. If you are a pregnant woman, please do not take this. This is better for those that are not pregnant. Make sure you're not pregnant before you consume this. If you need to work on your constipation or digestion, kindly talk to your doctor. This is not for pregnant women. It might affect your unborn baby or the unborn fetus. This is not for pregnant women. So, but every other person can take it. A man can take it. A woman can take it. A young person can take it. Children from the ages of like 5 can take it. Elderly people can take it as well. And you see that it will help you tremendously. So guys, if you find my video helpful, please thumbs up, kindly share, and kindly subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.